Hello, I'll be making another paper aeroplane quickly, but for this paper aeroplane you'll be needing a piece of paper, obviously, but you also need scissors before you start. So, yes. If you haven't seen my other paper aeroplane video, that one's very simple. This one's a bit different. It's not like too hard, but I'm going to fold in half, like this, portrait. And try and make it as even as possible. Then once you've done that, you're going to fold the corner of the piece of paper, that. Same with the other side. And then once you've done that, fold it back together. Should look something like that. Once you've done that, fold from the top little corner where you just folded those little parts into, and you want to fold it like that. Fold it over. Do the same on the other side, and you should have something that looks something like that. Once you've done that, I'll give you a few seconds just to sit that on that side and on this side there, both. Okay? Once you've done that, from those sides, you would like to do that. Fold it over just like that and do the same on the other side. And there's your paper aeroplane. Once you've done that, lift up the wings and you have a paper aeroplane. Same paper aeroplane that I made in the last video, but this is where you change it. If you can see underneath here, there's these folds. Where these folds are, you want to cut from on there. Cut along that line, okay? Can you see over there? I'll try, look, so along here, you want to cut. And do it on both wings, where you have made the parts like the wings. And you would like to cut them off. Should look something like that. Then do the same on the other side. And then once you've cut along here, you want to cut down the middle, like, so it comes off. Don't rip it off, otherwise it won't be neat. You might want some parent supervision if you are. You might want, but if not, just do it by yourself. But if you are using sharp scissors like this, you want supervision. If your mum wouldn't let you or dad, then you should have something like this. Okay, you need to cut this part off just to where you've cut. Can you see over here? You need to cut this thing off. So just get your scissors and along here, just cut it off. And then you will have final product soon. 1 second, we'll stop using the scissors properly. And there you go. This should be your final product. It should be like this. And yeah. If you want, I can throw it. It does spin a lot, but yeah. And here it is. You should have have this. I'll give it a throw. That was a bad throw. I'll throw it better. It should, like that. There you go. That's my paper airplane. I hope it helps you. You can subscribe, comment, like, comment. But that's for now. Bye-bye.